So a little jazz, a little beerisk, and a lot of rocks. So I got all these rocks on that wall over there to make it look like that. So let's get started. We got rocking to do. Well, it's getting tough in here. I had to turn over to rock and roll because it's getting harder and harder to get this done. Well, that's it so far. Stuff going. Gotta glue these little pieces in. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. Working my way up that way. So far, so good. Thanks to Brewski and Pink Floyd. Back to it. Done with the beer and done with the wall. So it hasn't dry yet, and then I'll put some greenery in there. So another job done. So ends another project. Finish that last corner there. And that's it on the layout tonight.